Okay, so I didn't expect to become a math YouTuber, but apparently there's teachers out there that still don't understand how implicit grouping works and they think it has something to do with order of operations. So that's one reason I was kicked out of math class a lot. Let's look at the second reason I was kicked out of math class: symmetry. Now, when I was in math class in 6th grade, I had a substitute, and I do know it's a substitute, but still teaching math. Tell us that this, if you're already following along, you see what the problem is. This is symmetry. Now, if you know what lines of symmetry are, you know that this is not symmetrical. She said because when it folds, the corner touches. But all the corners have to touch in symmetry. Now, I nearly got sent to the principal's office because of this. And in fact, I would have been sent to the principal's office had my friend not listened to me and not shut the hell up, because I was like, dude, the substitute, just let go. But yeah, this is not symmetry. Folding it, it's hard to fold now. Like this is symmetrical. The corners touch. Folding it like this is symmetrical. The corners touch. It's the only two lines of symmetry you have in a rectangle. She was thinking of a square. She was a square.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more future videos.